Okay, good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, we have all read this chapter. Today, I am going to explain you this chapter. But now, before going to explain this chapter, can anyone tell me what is safety rules? No? Okay, I'll tell you. Safety rules, the rules that keep us safe on the road, at home, and other places, are called safety rules. We must follow these rules. They help us to stay safe and prevent us from getting hurt. In this chapter, we will learn about some safety rules, right? So, now I'm going to tell you the rules which we should follow at home. Always be careful when using sharp object, right? We should be always very careful while using sharp object. For example, knives, needles, scissor, blade, right? Next, put your toys, bag, books and other belongings in your cupboard or storage area so that someone may not trip and fall. So you should always be store your toys, bags, books and other belongings in your cupboard, right? So next point is stay away from fire and do not play with matchstick, right? Because they can cause serious burn injuries. If whenever if anytime if you need to use fire, so you should always under the supervision of your elders, right? You should take the help of your elders. Next is do not insert finger in electric plugs, right? Do not touch electric plug with wet hands or directly, right? So that you should be careful while using electric items. Now, the rules which we should follow on road. It is important to practice certain safety rules on the road. First and foremost important rule is always follow traffic light. Red light means stop while green light means go. We should cross the road only when the light is green, right? Now, next point is always use zebra crossing to cross the road, right? We should always use zebra crossing while crossing the road. Always hold the hands of your elders while crossing the road. Walk on footpath and be alert to traffic. We should always be walk on footpath. Next is never get on or off a moving vehicle, right? You should wait at bus stop for your bus or the side of the road. Next is do not put your head or hands outside the moving vehicle. Never put your hands or head out of moving car or bus. Always remember to wear seat belt while sitting in the front seat of car and never play or run on the road. So these are the safety rules of which we should follow on road. Next rules are which we should follow at school. Do not hit other student or push other student or throw things around so that someone cannot get hurt, right? If you push any other student, he definitely fall down. So we should not push or hit, right? Do not run or slide down a staircase. If you lost balance, you can fall. So always be careful while using staircase. Next is do not climb and jump on the desk and chair. Always be careful in the class. While waiting for your school bus, always stand in a queue and do not push other student, right? It can be cause serious injury also, right?